Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Does your website seem like a car with a faulty engine? You may have all the parts, but without a well-maintained engine, your website will struggle to get the traction it needs to succeed. That's where Expect Best comes in. We provide expert WordPress support services that act as the engine to drive your website forward. Our experienced professionals will work with you to ensure your website runs at peak performance. We have the expertise to keep your website running smoothly and efficiently, whether fixing broken plugins, optimizing page speed, or enhancing your site's security. Like a well-oiled engine, your site will be firing on all cylinders, attracting more visitors, and generating more leads and sales. So don't let the faulty website hold you back. We can be the driving force behind your website's success. Contact us to learn more about our WordPress support and experience the power of a well-maintained website.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.